Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will talk about how to install Ansys student version in Windows PC. This version is the latest version of Ansys. If you are a user of Ansys Fluent or you are learning computational fluid dynamics and utilizing Ansys Fluent for CFD simulations, you can subscribe to my channel because I share tutorials on Ansys Fluent for beginner as well as for advanced users. So you have to just open Google and type Ansys Fluent student version. So when you go this, you can see Ansys student versions. You have to follow this link. Just right click, open a new tab. You can download it from their website. If you visit their website, you can also join their learning forum where they share tutorials and documentation for learning different tools of Ansys. Apart from that, the student version is free for instruction, self-learning and for students, and according to their guidelines it should not be used for any other purpose. So here you have to look for Ansys student because there are lots of tools there. So just look for Ansys student, and below is the link where you can download Ansys student. So just follow this link and click on this, and this will take you to a new page where you can download the latest version of Ansys. So just click on that. Since I have already downloaded this version and it's already in my computer, so I don't need to download it again. Now you have to extract this zipped folder or compressed file. To extract it, you need to right click and choose one of these three options that should be available on your Windows PC if it is Windows 10 or 11. And since my system is slightly different, I am using a Korean computer, so my options was showing in Korean. So you don't need to worry, you just have to choose one of these options in your Windows PC, and that should work. When you complete extracting your files, you can just go to this folder, and you have to explore the setup file. So inside this folder you can get the setup file if you go to bottom of this folder, and you should click run as administrator because this avoids most of the problem as compared to direct opening or direct running the setup file. Now you can agree and click next. So before clicking next, I would like to stress a very important step that you should follow. You should check the product and options before going ahead. By default we install all the products, and it can take a lot of your disk space, as well as when you open the workbench it can take a lot of time. I think I have done this mistake, but you should not repeat this kind of mistake to reduce your opening time or starting time of Ansys workbench. If you have followed until this stage correctly, I don't think you need further assistance from this video if you don't get any problem through the process or through installation. But I would like to highlight it again. If you are a fluent user, or you want to learn computational fluid dynamics and want to utilize Ansys Fluent for your work, you can subscribe to my channel because I create or share a lot of videos on Ansys Fluent on this channel. If you face any difficulty during the installation, please let me know in the comment, and share this video with your friends or colleagues. So let's wait for some time for finishing this procedure. So when it finishes, it will just show the installation completed successfully. Actually, I have stopped recording at that stage, but you don't need to worry. It will just show that kind of message. And after that, I have just started workbench from start menu. To demonstrate you if it is working properly. Again, it is taking certain time since I have installed all the programs, and this is the workbench. Now let me show you. Suppose you want to start certain program like Ansys Fluent, you can start it. So that's all from this video, because I have successfully installed. I hope you can also install it. If you are watching until this point, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has been helpful to you. And please like this video, and share it with your colleagues. And if you face any difficulty, please let me know in the comment. I would like to answer your comments. Thank you for watching.